How to add a collapsible product description section in Shopify. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a collapsible product description section to your Shopify store. This feature helps keep your product pages clean and organized. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Online Store and then Themes and click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. In the theme editor, click on Actions and select Edit Code. This will open the code editor where you can add custom code to your theme. Find the product template file. It's usually named something like product.liquid or producttemplate.liquid. It's located under the Sections or Templates folder and click on it to open the file. Insert the following HTML code where you want the collapse section to appear in the product description. Replace your collapsible content here with the text you want to hide by default. Add the following CSS and JavaScript code to the respective files or in the style and script tags of the theme.liquid file. Now, save your changes and go back to the theme editor to preview your product page. You should see your new collapsible section. Press the button to ensure it's working correctly. You can find both codes in the description below. And that's it, you've successfully added a collapsible product description section in Shopify. This feature helps keep your product pages neat and user-friendly. For more Shopify tips, check the description below and thanks for watching.